I can understand the English, but I cannot speak. This is the particular problem where most of the Indian students currently facing. I have seen many of my friends and many of my students who are actually struggling to speak in English. They used to constantly say that I can understand, but I'm not able to speak. Sudhakar, what is the actual problem? So, because there are a lot of people who can actually grasp the communication from others, whereas when it comes to articulating through the thoughts verbally, it's a problem for them. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get rid of that, and you can start speaking English fluently and confidently. And trust me, I was also a person who cannot speak in English because I was facing issues with framing sentences. So I practiced a lot of things. I'm gonna articulate that as well for you, and I am going to tell you what are the things you need to follow to the current trend as well. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, and comment your doubts, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's jump directly into the video. The first thing you need to follow is that it may offend to a lot of people also. Basically, you should not take English as a knowledge. You have your own knowledge. English is just a language which is giving a form or a shape to it. So try to understand English is not a knowledge. You need to understand and you need to create the knowledge within you, so that you just need to form the sentence just to give a shape to your way of expression. So improve your knowledge and just try to give shape and form with the help of English, just like you're giving it in your regional or mother tongue. The second step is self-assessment. In my previous video, how to talk in English in 30 days, I have mentioned a specific task for a lot of people, 30 days of challenge to speak in English. A lot of people in the comment section like, I'm ready for the challenge and everything, but I haven't seen any of the comment like what is the actual process. So if you are one of them, please do drop that in the comment section so that everyone knows what is your real process. So make sure that you are not hesitant to learn English, because like as day passes, you may feel like English is getting bored, like I'm not able to learn. You may get frustrated, but trust me, once you get the routine of 21 days, you gonna kill it. The third thing which you have to follow is that improve your courage, because whenever you're talking to a group of people, whenever you're talking to a lot of people, the first thing you need to have is the courage. If you don't have the courage also, it's fine, because even me, when I was trying to start speaking to a lot of people, a group of people, I was not able to speak. So I was trying to create the confidence. So one of the best thing you can actually do is that try to maintain your hands at your chest level. This is your chest level, so try to speak in this way, try to express it, have the hand movements around your chest. So eventually that actually gives the confidence to you also, and also when a viewer or when an audience is watching you, that is like something crazy basically. So they're gonna think you like you are an OG according to speaking communication, even you are just a beginner. So in order to improve your courage, make sure you follow certain steps. It can be anything. For me, it was maintaining my hand gestures around the chest level, so people feel more sophisticated with me. So when I'm talking to a lot of crowd, so I'm using the hands around it, like waving like this, actions and hand gestures. So eventually that actually feels more connected to the audience. The fourth one is that try to watch a lot of good English movies, good YouTube videos, which I always say in a lot of my videos. And there are a lot of creators who creates like how to speak in English. Everyone suggests watch YouTube videos. Another mistake we are actually doing is we are watching movies from Hollywood and other languages also, like specifically in English. But the main thing we are doing is watching it in dubbed version. Bro, it's not going to work like that. You should not watch any of the movies or video in dubbed version when it comes to English. Make sure you watch it in English. That's how you're gonna learn it with the proper accent, with the proper pronunciation as well. So please don't watch in dubbed version of any movies or videos, because that will improve your way of communicating the English and pronunciation, the accent, everything, it will increase. If you watch those videos and movies in dubbed version and tell to me that like I have watched but my English is not growing, then there is no point of it, my friend. The last one is actually simple. You need to love the English. Try to understand it as your partner, because after some time you may get frustrated. So you need to understand that English is your partner, like a girlfriend or a boyfriend. So do watch my description, because I have given free courses that can improve your communication skills, and it has certificates as well, which you can add in your resume. So don't forget to share this video with your friends. It's an useful video how to talk in English. So make sure that you are sending it to your friends who are struggling, and help them at least from now. Let's take a oath that we are going to speak in good English. And why it's actually important in the sense you are going to talk in English to your managers, to HRs, and it will help you in your expressing your ideas. So when you talk in English, it's going to be like something very professional. So make sure that you are doing it right away, and don't forget to share and subscribe this video, and see you guys in the next video. And then peace.